Hi everyone, you can see this problem. It is a trend analysis problem where a balance sheet is given for 3 years, that is 2011, 12 and 13. You have to compute a trend percentage for this balance sheet. So your base year here it is in this problem, it is 2011. So it looks like a balance sheet items. So you have share capital, reserves, loans, creditors, buildings. All these items are will come under balance sheet. The first thing you have to do it is you have to bifurcate these items into assets and liabilities. All these 4 items will be coming under liabilities, and all these 5 items, that is buildings, plant, stock, debtors and cash, will be coming under assets. So we have to do the bifurcation first and then calculate the trend percentage. So I have already prepared a column and all the required information is filled. So comparative trend analysis statement, where the base year it is 2011 and the formula remains the same as per the previous problems, that is current year amount divided by base year amount into 100. So what I have done it is, the first, that is share capital, comes under, I put it as capital and liabilities. Under this one, share capital and reserves. Next, a head is created, long-term loans, where loans will be entered. Next, it is current liabilities, where sundry creditors will be entered. Next, under assets, we have 2 categories of assets, that is fixed assets and current assets. Under fixed assets we have building and plant. Under current assets we have stock, debtors and cash. All this amount are there in the question. We have entered what is given in the question. Next, as the base year is 2011, as we have discussed in the previous problem, the trend percentage for the base year will always remain at 100. So I'll be just entering 100 for all these years. So I'll be just entering 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 100 here, 100 here. So that means our trend percentage for the base year will always remain at 100. Next, we are coming into share capital. For 2012, the share capital it is 2,50,000 divided by base year it is 2 lakh into 100 is equal to, you get a percentage of 125. That means your share capital is increased by 125 percentage. Next, for 2013, your share capital given it is 3 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100. So you get a percentage of 150. That means your share capital is increased by 150 percentage. Next, for reserves, for current year, that is 2012, it is 1,50,000 divided by base year it is 1 lakh into 100. I get a percentage of 150. If you look into the question here, for 2013 also it says as 1,50,000. So no need to calculate further. I'll just copy paste whatever information is there, 150. Next, it is loans. If you see at loans, it's 2 lakh. In 2011 it comes to 1 lakh and it comes to 50,000. That means your loan amount is gradually decreasing. So for the base year it is 2012, the loan amount it is 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh, that is your base year it is 2 lakh into 100. You get a percentage of 50%. That means your loan is reduced by 50%. Next, for 2013, your current year amount it is 50,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. So that means you get a percentage of 25, where your loan is reduced to 25%. Next, we have sundry creditors, where the base year it is 3 lakh, and for 2012 the current year amount it is 4 lakh divided by 3 lakh into 100. I get a percentage of 133.33. So that is, it is increased by 133.33 percentage. Next, it is for 2013, the current year amount it is 2 lakh divided by your base year amount it is 3 lakh into 100. So that means you get a percentage of 66.67 percentage, which is reduced. Now what you have to do is you have to make the total of these column and enter here. That is the total of 2011 it comes to 8 lakh, 2012 it comes to 9 lakh, and 2013 it comes to 7 lakhs. So this is as per balance sheet. You total the asset side. So liability side is total. No need to calculate anything here. You are not supposed to calculate anything here or here. Nothing is calculated in this part. Next we'll move on to the assets. Under assets we have building. For 2012, the building amount it is 2,50,000 divided by base year it is 2 lakh into 100. So you get a percentage of 125. Next for 2013, it is increased to 3 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100. Is equal to, you get a percentage of 150. So that's done with the building. Next we'll move to plant. Under plant you have for 2012 it is 2,50,000 divided by 2 lakh into 100. You get a percentage of, again it is 125. So next one it is 125. Next it is, here we come to, in this part it is 1 lakh divided by 2 lakh into 100. You get a percentage of 50. So that is, your plant is reduced to 50%. Next one it is your stock. For stock it is your current year, it is 2,50,000 divided by 2,50,000 into 100. That means your percentage remains the same as the base year, that is 100. Next one it is for 2013, 1,50,000 divided by 2,50,000. 2,50,000 into 100. I get a percentage of 60. Next it is our debtors. It is all 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh. That means the percentage remains 100 for all the 3 years. That is, it is not changed, so I'm not doing the calculation. Next for cash also it is the same, 100, 100, 100. So the percentage remains at 100 in all these 3 cases. So if you total this one, it is 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 4, 4 it is 5, 6 lakh 50,000, 7 lakh 50,000, 8 lakh. The total will match. So we'll be just putting this total over here. So this is how a trend analysis is done. When a balance sheet is given, you have to give importance to bifurcating the items into capitals, long-term loans or current liabilities, or fixed assets and current assets. This is how a balance sheet trend analysis is done. Thank you.